paper crafting, diamond painting bright. Glitter spills on every hall and stack. Can't find the floor, but I'm on the right track. At Diana Loves Colors, let's explore. Diana Loves Colors.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you very, very much for coming to my channel and watching a video today. You know I really appreciate that. Today I have a bag of goodies to show you from the diamond painting company Fansells, and Fansells also has cross-stitch kits and paint-by-number sets and a number of other crafts that they sell over there at Fansells. So I am always happy when they contact me and ask me to show you things. So, you know, sometimes I see new things that I haven't even seen yet. So let's take a look at what I picked out to show you. This is kind of self-explanatory. These are wax pencils that you use to pick up gems. So these come in sets of 2, 5, and 10. And if you get 2 pencils, you get 2 sharpeners, and so on and so on. And they do pick them out at random, but mine have little diamonds on them. So that's pretty cool. And do you know that I do not have a pencil sharpener in my house anywhere? Because I have one of these and I wanted to use it, but I couldn't because I couldn't find a sharpener. So now I have a couple. So that's good. And maybe we'll use this later on when I get it sharpened so I can show you how easy it is to pick up drills and gems. And you can even use these to pick up small die cuts. You know, if you're doing something with lettering, it's always hard to pick those little things up with your fingers. At least it is for me. So my set of 2 here was around $2. So I got that. And then I got this set of 12 trays. And this is, I think, 3D laser printed, they call it. And this is what each tray looks like. It's in a teardrop shape. And it has a cover and then the part where you shake your diamonds. So these would be great for kitting up a small diamond painting or kitting up special drill ones, which I have some to show you today, so maybe we'll check that out. And I like how it has these raised dots in this side. If you've ever seen the drill separators that they have, and some people call them grinders. So I don't like grinders. I feel like they will scratch up your drills and stuff. But if you've ever gotten like a clump of drills that sometimes you need to separate them. So just a light rub on here will get that job done. And I hope you can see those little dots in there. This is the end where you can pour them back into their container if you want. And I'm going to take a few of these out so you can see the inside. It has these 12 dividers in here, which are great for kitting up small diamond paintings. Again, you can stand your baggies up in here or other things that you want to keep separate that you're working on. And of course, you can put your covers on so nothing comes out of that hole there, and then pop it right back in there. So this comes in 7 different colors. It measures, I think, 8 3/4 inches long, and then each of these is, I think, 3 inches by 2.5, and they fit very nicely in there. And this comes, the one I got is multicolored. There's 2 of each color, like 2 of these, like aqua colored, 2 blue, 2 pink, 2 purple, and 2 orange. And they come in other different colors too. There's 7 of them actually. So that is a good tray system to have there. So I have some diamond paintings to show you, and I do have them flattening out right now. I just put them in there. in my portfolio. This is where I keep my diamond paintings that I'm going to work on, at least the ones that are this size for this portfolio. These are like 30 by 40 or 11 by 14 um, pages here. Isn't that cute? I love that one. So yeah, I have a lot of diamond paintings in here, and I have a whole stack of them in the back that have to be put in. But I'm gonna take out the ones, and this is pretty heavy with all these diamond paintings in there, but it makes a good place to flatten things out. And they're going to end up in there anyway. And then I write on my package of drills the number of the kit, and I store those in a separate place. So all of these diamond paintings, or special drill diamond paintings, did I bang that camera? Are going to come with a toolkit like this. So I'm only going to show you the one of this, and you get your pen and tray and wax. Everything you need to do your diamond painting is right here. And I think two of these were $4. One of them was $5. So the first one I want to show you is this beautiful lady, and I just love her dress. And this is one of the pearl diamond paintings, which are new, probably in the last year or so. And they have just started putting pearls on everything. It's just so popular. And this one has 10 different sizes. But I like this one because it also has some pops of color. And I'm going to show you those in a minute. And look at the beautiful butterflies on the back of her. And she just has like this lace here, her pink bow, her beautiful hat. So this is the packet of drills. So I like to write on here the kit number that's up here, and then I store this in my book and this in a tote. So 10 different ones. You can see the legend on either side here. Let's get them out. That's the hardest part here. So you're going to see on up here, you have number 1 there, and then you have number 1 on your bag. So this has some pink in it, which I like, and this is a very dark brown for her hair, I believe. We have some clear marquees there, these beautiful pink flowers, some tiny pearls, a little bit bigger, a little bigger, bigger, and they get bigger. So I really like her. So if you guys have trouble getting these back in after you get them back in your bag, what I do is stand them up with that number 1 that comes first, like that, and then I just kind of let it bend the way it naturally bends, and then you'll be able to put it back in the bag there. So there is the first one, and this, oh, I meant to mention that this is a partial, so this is just background here. There's nothing sticky on here. Only sticky is where the gems go. And if you want to try diamond painting, these are perfect to let you get a feel for what it's like and see if you like it. So this little deer stole my heart. It has 10 different gems on it. And I think he's in the snow because I think these are snowflakes up in the night sky there. And he's just looking at his little reflection in the water. He's looking at his new antlers that he got or something. He's just so darn cute. And this does have 10 gems in it. So these have only been in my book for like a half an hour, flattening out. You'll see that by tomorrow this will probably be perfectly flat. And to help it along, you can pull the plastic back in the corners and then smooth it back down like that. do all the corners. And you can also roll this backwards like this a couple of times. That helps as well. All right, let's look at what our deer comes with. So once again, I have written the kit number on here. I put baby deer, and these come in baggies this time. And this also has 10 different gems here, and they're using capital letters, and then they have a few little symbols here. So these are some clear ones with iridescent, some clear, or no, it looks kind of yellow, a little yellow, pink, blue. I think that's a dark green, like a gold. We have some regular black drills, some pearls, some more clear ones, and then these are kind of unusual. Very pretty. I wonder where those go. Pen? I think they go up here. Alright, so that's baby deer. Don't have to worry about standing these up. Oh, speaking of standing these up, you could use this tray here. You know, take the trays out, and then you could stand your drills up like this and do your diamond painting, and you can see what you have. I like when they send them like this. Very easy to start diamond painting when they do that. As soon as your diamond painting is flattened out, I guess, you can start. So I must have had a thing for baby animals the day that I picked these out. And because this next one is a baby owl. And I'm saying it's a she, but I suppose it could be a he as well. So this also has 10 different gems in it. And this is them here. So these also come in a train, is the number. And what I mean by a train is when they have all these baggies and they're connected. So let's see what this baby owl has. I think there's going to be a lot of blue and pink, but I could be wrong. That happens quite a bit, that I'm wrong. Alright, so here's number 1. And we have pink. And we have clear, some blue, purple, orange. Those are pretty. So those round faceted pink ones. And we have these round faceted ones. Those are neat. There's some iridescent marquees. And some more marquees in bigger sizes. And I think those are going to be her feathers. Her or his feathers. Let's see. A big V. Yeah, these are going to go right here. Beautiful. And it's so satisfying to sit down and do one of these in an hour and feel like you did create something and you didn't waste the day like I've been doing here. I have to do some cleaning because we're having a new couch delivered tomorrow. And that's not the fun part. Okay, let's flip baby owl over and meet our ocean gnome. Isn't he cool? So I guess he goes to the beach with his boots on. He looks a little overdressed for the beach, in my opinion, but he's still cute nonetheless. And this one has 19 different colors and rhinestones. Oh my goodness, where do they all go? Doesn't look like there's that much. But this all does get diamond painting, and the background is just white. And these also come in baggies. So let's take a look at these. If we can get them open. Here we go. Wow, they're using some sticky bags there at Fansells. They're fooling with me. Wow, this is a handful here. Alright, let's see what we got. Again, you could use that tray to stand these up. So we have some clear, purple, pink. Ooh, look at those. I think they're black, but they have a green top to them. Those are gorgeous. We have a little bigger blue ones, green, blue, green, some big half pearls. Let's see, some gold. Is that gold? It's hard to see the way my light is coming in today. And we have a different blue, purple, and then we have these marquees. We have these half pearls, some pink half pearls, some round pink ones, or some round blue ones. Whoa, look at these, some big blue ones. And then we have some stars. Okie, stop barking. That's my neighbor's dog. And I forgot to mention that Our Lady here did come in a box this time, and I think Fansells, I've seen some other unboxings from other creators that get stuff from Fansells, and they are showing the boxes too. So maybe that's something new that they're doing. But anyway, I want to thank them so much for letting me have my discount code, which is Diana10, and letting me pick out these products to show to you guys. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time with something new. Thank you, Fansells.